the test
Yeah.
cases and the
So I
the other
haven't
stuff.
checked. I'll
Mhm.
check. I'll check today. Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah. So this is the epic.
Mhm.
Epic.
So could you just refresh my memory one more time what an epic is?
So epic is a big feature or a big
Mhm.
requirement.
And
That's
that's
what.
broken down into user stories, right?
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So see you have summary.
Mhm.
Any issue you're creating, your project name, the issue type you can select here.
Mhm.
Epic. And then, so there are, see, you can see issue types, story, task, bug, epic. So we can select a epic, okay? Status. So what is the to-do list? So SB features. Assign you can make to anybody, okay?
Mhm.
Label, you can give SB. So new label you can just create it. Basically solar based energy system, I want to say.
Mhm.
So start date, we can give today's date, okay?
Mhm.
So due date, 2 weeks, we'll select the 2 weeks. So then two and the here. So that's how it will end. Reporter, this name we will get. Linked issues, we have to link. Maybe you have blocks, is blocked by, is relevant to, relates to this, whatever it is you want, you can just put that.
Mhm.
So we don't have any issues, just create this. That's a epic we want to create. Run to, this one I want to delete it. Let's delete. So it is this epics that we created. So directly you can go here. Otherwise, if you don't, just go to create, and you can just select. I don't know, some SB is feature. So this epic explains the system requirements. It's not showing. Okay. So we go to our I'll take yeah. So this is a requirement document I'm just taking, and I want to create more user stories. Okay. So that's why I'm taking this one by one. We'll take. First one is login user. Okay. Login user story. Next, register user story. Next, register preferences. So these are all different user stories. Okay. Below that, you have a requirements in that. Charge customer like this. No user that product owner, business analyst will prepare the user stories like this. Right. So now you open one by one. Okay. So one by one you open. I'm adding parent to all these user stories. Okay. So SBA feature. Now let's open this. So I didn't add any data here, right? So we need to add the description for that complete requirements. But even though that is so I will add this entire thing. Okay, save it. You have all the requirements. So you can go and look at the requirements, and you can see that. Okay. Same way. See, these are all sprint to story points. So we didn't still estimate. We'll estimate all of them. Okay. So we are just creating this is all done by that guy. So product owner. or business analyst.
So it auto saves on completion and when you close the page.
So I'll
Oh,
tell
you
you
gotta save
this.
it. Okay, okay.
So I'm saving. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The data you have to save, right? Whatever the data you enter.
Mm-hmm. I was just wondering how, yeah, if it were
Yeah,
auto
this is the
saving or
number.
just
You
like.
can see every user story has a number.
Mm-hmm.
So every user story has a number. So this is a green color is a represent the user story.
Mm-hmm.
So the purple this represent the epic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now so we have backlog, right? This is what I have told you, right? Product backlog. So now I need to create a sprint. I'll create a sprint. Sprint one. Okay, sprint one I want. So sprint one, I can give add dates. I want to add a dates. See, start date. Maybe you can say 2 weeks a sprint.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically you will get a 2 week sprint. Okay, or you can start with a Wednesday. So and automatically it will come. See here.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So you get 8th to 22nd November. Okay. Now you
Mm-hmm.
need to drag and drop all the issues. So what are the things you want to take? So I want to take this one. This one. First, these three I want to develop. See, all three came here.
Mm-hmm.
So first sprint. So whenever the day 8 comes, you can click on start sprint. This is all done by Scrum Master. You don't need to worry about it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now refinement will happen. Okay. Now, where is this opening? It's not opening. Maybe I'll add, okay, I will add you to project, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go and let me add your, so I'll invite So I'll invite him. So give me your email ID. I think we have here, right?
I can send it to you in chat again if you
Chat, yeah, give me in the chat. Okay,
Mhm.
so the role I can give, okay, add one person. So you will get a one invitation. You can check that invitation. Once you give invitation, you'll get. You, I can see you here. Okay.
Mhm.
So you got any email?
I've been just refreshing my page, but I've gotten nothing so far.
Is it? Mhm.
Yes. Oh, I think I just got it. Just got it.
Okay. Just accept. You can see here. Okay.
Mhm. It's just taking me a second to do this verification to make sure I'm human or not.
Mhm.
I'm in.
See all first sprint.
Mhm.
You got a 3 user stories. Okay, so, but I want to invite you.
Mhm.
So we will
I could see it on my page, my board.
budget. Let me take from here.
Mhm.
This all setup, no, already done by. Oh, we got it here. We got a name here.
My name
This
is already,
one.
yeah, I'm registered now, so.
Yeah. So now I added to the project.
Mhm.
Manage access. We can give member. Okay.
Mhm.
So I can control here. Need to change the permission, but okay, it's okay, right?
Mhm.
Let's go. Let's go. We want to get to the project. So now, refresh. The person should show here. Why it's not coming?
It's showing on mine. I don't know why it's isn't
Oh,
showing
in
on
the
yours
board,
still.
in the board, it is showing for you.
Yeah, I could see the board. I could see right where it says RI. My name is SK right beside it.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. That then cool. Then cool. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
I'll assign this to. Okay. Let me. Okay, I'll assign to yeah, I got it right.
Mhm.
Now I got it, and let me go and refresh the board. So yeah, now we can see, right?
Mhm.
So my name and your name it is showing. So it is assigned to me, and let me assign this to Sanjit. Okay, story Ram Sprint 1. You can see story number, the estimate. So how many days you want? So
Mhm.
10 days, 10 day. So basically the story points, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, something
Mhm.
30.
Depending on how
Yeah.
complex a story might be, user story might
Yeah.
be.
Yeah. So here you can include. So
Mhm.
basically developers stories will be there, and also QA stories will be there. So this is the
Mhm.
developer story, right? So
Mhm.
developer story means developer will work. He will take maybe 8, 5 user stories. And under this, there will be a QA story also. So they will create a QA story. And for that, one they will assign. Okay, let me create one issue. And you go to here. So test only login scenario. Okay.
Mhm.
So one more test only registration scenario. So this is how, and these two things also you need to drag there. Right, you got it right now. So I can assign this to Sanjit. And now they will ask how many story points you want. They will ask you, okay? In the planning day, they will ask you this point. How many story points you want? You can say 5 story points, whatever it is. 3 story points. So you can put, right? This is the login scenario. And same, this one, right? And this also I'll assign to Sanjit. And story estimates 5. Okay. So this is how you can backlog. Yeah. So this is the user stories we got. So this is the developers will work. Okay. Let me say Okay. So like this, you will get, for example, if I click on this, what are the things assigned to me, it will show. If I click on this, what are the things it will assign to you, it will show here. So when you are, so first time the sprint started, right? The sprint start time, it will be in the to-do list first. Then when you started working, you have to go like this. See this. So this will be in your name. So when you have started working, you can just move this, drag and drag to here, in progress. Right. So here you can create one more, dev completed, in testing, something like that. Okay. So some more columns you can create. Maybe you can create, add a column, explore popular columns. So the columns we want, so we can close them. I can give dev completed. So I can create one more, testing. So when this one, you have to move here, this one. This is all configuration done by the team, okay? So you don't need to worry about this. They will just assign the tasks to you, okay? They will just assign the tasks to you. So this is how you can drag and drop, you can do, okay? So drag and drop you can do, to-do list, then in progress, then dev completed. Once they've completed, you can do a testing, then done finally. So this is how it will move all the this 15 days time period step by step. So dev completed. So this is the development. And then you can say, for example, this is the testing, right? So this dev completed by that time. So you have to finish this, maybe tester. And maybe is doing a testing. So this is both belongs to same. So once these two are done, then they will be moved to done area. So this is how the complete flow it will go in the same sprint. Even others also they will move. If somebody started working, they will start doing this. And then so dev completed, you can put it here, and testing related